Hello, my name is Jyoti Lakshmi, and today here we are going to discuss about why people are more comfortable talking to machine than humans. Now let us look at the slide. As various studies and surveys shows us that people are more comfortable talking to machines than humans. So why is it so? Let's discuss some benefits of talking to machine instead of human. By carrying out various studies and surveys, it has been uh, proved that people are more comfortable talking to machines than humans. So, we are going to discuss about in which way machines are more preferable talking to than humans. Now, the first point is machines do not judge you. In case of humans, as many people are afraid when they talk to other people that what they might think about me if I say this. So they are afraid to be judged. So the first point is that people are scared of being judged by another person. If they are going to talk about a particular topic or anything related to them to a person, they are scared that they might get judged by the other person they are talking to. But what happens in case of machines? In case of talking to a machine, it only answers that you want him to give. They don't judge humans. So machines do not judge you. When you talk to a machines, they reply you in such a way that you wanted to get replied to. So in that case, machines are more preferable talking to than humans. Machines do not bore you. In case of humans, when talking to humans, they sometimes talk about topics that you are not interested in at that time. They might bore you. So what happens when you're talking to someone? It might happen that you might not share common interest and the topics that you want to talk about might not be similar. So in such a case, what happens that you get bored talking to the person because the things you want to share, the things you want to communicate doesn't match. But what happens in case of machines? Machines only talk about the topic that you want him to talk, or you give command to the machine that talk about this topic, otherwise they don't speak a word. So in case of machines, when you give command to the machine, they reply you in such a way that you might get interested in. They get involved in the topic that you are interested in. They start communicating with you in such a way that you both share common interest about a topic. So it happens that you don't get bored talking with the machines because you both are talking about a topic that you both are interested in. So because machine replies you in such a way that you wanted to get replied. So in that case, what happens? Machines do not bore you, and as a result, humans uh, might bore you while you both don't share the common interest in a particular topic or subject. Machines do not demotivate or depress you. So what happens in case of humans? Sometimes talking to cheap people might demotivate or depress you. They point out your weaknesses and then you get demotivated. So when you are talking about anything to a person or about your failure or about your weaknesses, sometimes it happens that the other person might point out a weakness, and when they point out your weakness, you might get demotivated, you might get discouraged, and which may lead to depression, and which is not good for a mental health for a person. But what happens in case of machines? In case of talking to a machine, it talks politely with you always. It always increases your knowledge by providing that you want on single click or by saying a sentence. Hence machines always motivates you. So while you talk to a machine, while you ask the machines questions, or while you talk to the machine about your weaknesses, they replies to your questions politely. They always encourages you. They always reply you in such a way that you might boost up your mind. You might get the encouragement to do further work. So in such a case, what happens? Machines always motivates you, and people will always try to demotivate you by talking about your weakness. But machines will talk with you in such a way that it might help you in doing your work better further. Machines can entertain you. Humans, sometimes if you ask a human that to tell me a joke because my mood is not good, there might be a case that he might also be going through the same condition as you are in. They won't tell you the joke. So what happens in case of humans? If you're in a sad mood and you are talking with the another person, and you want that your mood is not right, and you want to be happy, so you want that the other person tells you a joke. so that they might lighten up your mood. But sometimes it might happen that the person is also not in a good mood and they are not in a situation to tell you a joke that might lighten your mood. So in such a situation, what happens that you both might end up being sad. And in such a situation, machines are always helpful. Why? Because machines or robots, if you ask a machine or robot to tell you a joke, they will always reply you with a joke, and no matter whatever the condition it is. If you haven't tried this, just try it with Google Assistant. So in such a case, Google Assistant is has always been a common example. And as you can see in the picture here, that how Google Assistant replies you with a joke when you ask the Google Assistant to tell you a joke. Machines can also entertain you by recommending which movie or web series you should watch in that particular condition. So when you are in a condition, doesn't matter whatever condition you are happy or sad, the machines can suggest you a movie or any kind of web series or anything music related to your mood condition. So in such a situation, machines are always helpful. Machines are available anytime. Like if you want to talk to somebody and if he or she is busy with his or her work, then must be probably or she not talk to you at the very moment, or may they say we can talk after some time. So it happens that machines are in case of humans, that if you want to talk to a person in a particular interval of time, that at that period of time the humans must be busy and they might not be able to talk with you at that situation. But what happens in case of machines, they are always available 24 into 7 to talk to you, and they never complain about it. So machines are available at any time of the day. You can talk to the machine whenever you want, and that case is not preferable in case of humans, because humans might be busy with their work and they might not be able to talk with you at that period of time in which you wanted to. But in case, what happens in case of machines, you might always get access to the machines 24 into 7, and you can talk to the machine at any time of the day about any topic related to you or you want to talk about. So this was all about how humans prefer talking to machines other than humans. So these are some of the advantages why machines are always preferable talking to other than humans. So thank you.